The ability to do independent research by us in a law degree is vital for any budding lawyer. It's something that I struggled initially with, but throughout my degree you were forced to be able to go out, find your cases, find your authority all by yourself, and in the end it does become second nature to you. I think this is an important skill to have, whether in the workplace or in any other setting that you're in, to be able to ground your opinions and assertions with evidence. And in turn, this develops your understanding and your own intellectual ability. You need to have the ability to be able to persuade and negotiate with others. And obviously in law, you need to be able to present your arguments effectively. But of course, I think that there are limits to this, and you need to know when to stop, and you need to know when you're wrong, and you need to accept when you're wrong. And I think there have been situations where, like, I've got carried away even with it in seminars and so forth. But you need to be able to take criticism and use it as constructive criticism and learn from those experiences. It's important to have a global perspective and be aware of how the law works in practice. Being able to work with leading academics in their field really gives you a flavour of this, because you have, with them having practiced before entering academics, they're able to give you a flavour of how the law really works in practice. Labour law has been one of the most challenging modules I've actually studied, and I've actually been able to engage thoroughly with the law compared to a lot of the other modules I've studied so far at QMUL. The ability to engage critically with information and knowledge is imperative with labour law in particular. We were taught to engage with the substance of the law and think about how it works in reality and how it interacts with social, economic and political developments. In any law module, you're expected to be able to persuade others and use your arguments effectively. But I think in labour law, we were forced to thoroughly engage with the substance of the law. Our tutor, Lizzie Barnes, she really helped us in this respect, because she encouraged us to go deeper and question and have thought-provoking questions and try to ask the question why all the time. Through our written assignments that we do throughout the year, you're able to engage with the law independently and develop your own understanding. Seminars, however, were the most important in developing that skill, because you're able to discuss your own ideas, and as well as hear the ideas and debates of your classmates.